Hi students, in this video we are going to learn case study question from quadratic equations chapter. Look at the question. The quadratic formula, the roots of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a should not be equal to 0 are given by, we have given with the quadratic formula, or we can find the b squared minus 4ac separately as a d, that is a discriminant. We can apply like this, both are same only. Here we have given the formula. Based on this they have given 5 questions to us. Now we'll see the first question. The root of the quadratic equation is, they have given a quadratic equation, that is 8x squared minus 22x minus 21 equal to 0. Find the roots. That is your question. We can apply the formula, then we can find out this. I am going to apply like this. This is very simple because we can find the d first, then we can apply it directly. Let us find the discriminant. D is equal to b squared minus 4ac. In this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c, because a is a coefficient, x squared coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, and the remaining is a constant. So here a is equal to x squared coefficient 8, b is minus 22, we have to take along with the symbol, c is equal to minus 21. Let's apply here to find your d. D is equal to b squared is minus 22 square minus 4 into a value is 8, c value is minus 21. Minus 21 should be written along with the sign. 22 into 22 will give you 484. This minus will become plus. So 4 into 8 will be 32. 32 into 21, if you multiple, we are getting 672. Now the value is 1156 is the addition, that is your discriminant value. Now we'll go on to the formula, that is x is equal to, your formula is given as minus b plus or minus root of discriminant value by 2a. This is a basic formula for the quadratic equation to find out the roots. Now let's apply here minus b. So minus of b value is minus 22 plus or minus root of 1156 divided by 2a. 2 into a value is given as 8. Now we have to find the root of this one, this number. Very simple. I'm going to tell you the long division method. So you don't need to do the long division method completely. We can try to find the first number alone, that will help you to find the total value. 1156 is our question. Take a 2 numbers from your right side as a pair. So in the first pair we are getting 1, 1. So that is 11. We need to identify which perfect square will be available before the 11. That is 3 3s are 9 is available. So here whatever number we are writing here, the same number must be taken here also. So 3 3s are 9 we can write. Further we can continue or else we can stop here. So anyhow the number is going to be start with 3. So start with 3 in the sense, look at the last number, that is 6. That means it should be the value of 34 into 34, or it will be 36 into 36, because 6 and 6 multiple will end up with 6. 4 and 4 also will be end up with 6. In these two, one of the value will be this one. So to identify, I'm just telling the shortcut to you. So in between 34 and 36 we are getting 35 square. 35 square easily we can find. This is a 3. After 3, the next successor of 3 is 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12 2 5. We have a shortcut video also, you can watch that. So 35 square is 1225. So this number is less than 35 square. So definitely our answer will be 34 into 34. You can multiple the 34 and 34, you will be getting the same answer. So 22 plus or minus, if you are taking out of this number, definitely it will be 34. Divided by 2 8s are 16, you write it. Now along with the plus sign we have to take one number, along with the minus sign we should take another number. 22 plus 34 by 16, 22 minus 34 by 16, both are is equal to x. So 22 plus 34 is 56 by 16, and the next number 22 minus 34, that is 34 minus 22 will do. So 2 1 12 by 16, both will come under 2 table, we can cancel it. So this is 8 times, this is 28 times, again by 2 table this is 4s are, 14s are, again by 2 table 2s are, 7s are, 7 by 2, one value is 7 by 2. Another value in 4 table we can cancel, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. So minus 3 by 4. So 7 by 2 comma minus 3 by 4 is your correct answer. So C is your correct answer. Look at the next question. The discriminant of x squared plus x plus 7 equal to 0. Discriminant only this value we need to find out, b squared minus 4ac. Now our question, a is 1, b is 1, c is 7. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 7. So discriminant formula b squared minus 4ac. We can write it. Let's apply. B value is 1 squared minus 4 into a into c. So which is equal to 1 minus 28 we are getting. So minus 27. So discriminant is minus 27 is your correct answer. That is your second option. That is your correct answer. So next one. Roots of these equations are, the nature of the root they are asking whether they are real and distinct or real and equal or imaginary or more than 2 equal real roots is a question. So since it is a quadratic equation, we should not take more than 2 real roots because maximum only 2 roots it can have because it is a quadratic equation. Degree is 2. So let's find the discriminant first. With the use of the discriminant, we can able to find out what type of root is this. If we are getting the discriminant equal to 0, we can say that the roots are real and equal. That means real and equal you should write. So whenever our discriminant is greater than 0, we can say that roots are real and distinct. That means it will be giving you 2 different roots. That is a distinct means 2 different roots we will be getting. Roots are distinct. Real and distinct we can write. So whenever we are getting our d value is less than 0, that is a negative number, that will be considered as a no real root or a imaginary root we should write. Now we will find out what is the d value for this particular question. So from this question, a value is 4, b value is minus 2 and c value, children, 3 is given that side, we need to bring it to other side. We have to make the equation equal to 0. So plus 3 if you bring it to that side, minus 3. So c is equal to minus 3 we have to take. Now discriminant equal to our formula b squared minus 4ac. B value minus 2 squared minus 4 into a into c value is again minus 3. So 2 squared is 4, minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So 48 plus 4 will give you 52. So discriminant value 52 we are getting. So that is discriminant value is greater than 0. Since it is a positive number, discriminant is greater than 0. So the roots are real and distinct. So the first option is a correct option. The value of k for which this equation has real and equal roots. They have mentioned us very clearly. The roots are real and equal. Real and equal means that should be taken as d is equal to 0. Since the roots are real and equal, we know the discriminant, that is b squared minus 4ac equal to 0 we have to consider. A value is 4, b value is k, c value is 9. Let's apply now. B value is k, so k squared minus 4 into a into c which is equal to 0. Now k squared minus 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are 144 which is equal to 0. Minus 144 if you are taking to other side, it will become a plus 144. So k squared equal to 144 we can write. Take the square to other side, it will become a root. So k is equal to root of 144 we can apply. So 12 12s are 144, we know that very clearly. So when the number is coming out of the root, it will be having 2 symbols plus or minus. So plus or minus 12 is your correct answer. So plus 12 is also correct, minus 12 is also correct. So both A and B is your correct answer. If you feel the video is useful, give a like to us. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Please share with your friends also.